it louder. We definitely gotta make it louder. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It's nice and early here. Looking forward to, I just have to wake up to doing this new video. So in typical Merv fashion, we're going to be removing something from the stock exhaust and doing a modification. So anybody gonna guess what kind of exhaust mod it's gonna be? So I'm here with Peter.
Hello, hello.
Oh, it's not your first time on the channel, but it's been a while.
Really?
You've been around for sure. Had you? He's been around. But yes, we're here in his garage. We're going to be doing a Resonator delete. I got this pipe ordered about a week ago. Came pretty quickly actually. Came from BC.
From BC? How long it took? Like a week?
Yeah. About like 8 days or something. So we're gonna see. The stock one is right over there. It's a decent res. Oh, okay. I guess so. Yeah, it should add a bit more sound for the car, because that's one thing I feel like it's missing, is a bit more personality. It's actually the first time looking underneath my own car. I haven't. Wow.
It's like, don't say that.
That's good.
So, when you sound it, clearly gonna. Oh, what's up, bro? Literally like that.
Yeah.
Bam, right there.
And there, it even shows you where the bands for their OEM is, so you just gotta kind of match it up, but it doesn't seem that hard, honestly.
No.
So.
Or follow the video 5.5 inches, but we're good. Like literally right there.
Yeah.
We're chilling, bro.
Yeah, should be good. I know. That's what I hope it does a difference in sound, like a noticeable difference.
I think it's gonna backfire a lot more. An exhaust note?
Yeah, when the valves are open, I hope so. But yeah, so guys, just so you know, freaking found out it doesn't even have to cut anything.
There you go.
Oh,
It's hot for you? Or is it dirty?
Okay, it's not super
fine.
hot. I was like, oh my god.
No.
Yeah.
I wish my car was easy to work on.
Wow, look at that. Hey, it's literally just a. I'll keep this over here for now. But yeah, look. Yeah, so res off, and then we got the pipe right here. Yeah, actually, like the comparison from that to the res, it probably weighs a lot less too. Wow. And you can even still use the stock couplers?
I think so.
Or is it a bit bigger than the... Oh no. Look at that. Wow, man. This is literally going to take you like 2 seconds.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like...
That's amazing. I love that. Here I was thinking that you have to cut something like in the video, but CTS, what are you doing? This is actually a lot easier than what you guys made it seem.
Clamps on, I'll leave you the extra clamps later.
Yeah, you're gonna show.
You see right over here? Yeah. You gotta weld that. Because I know people do Getaway with the clamps, and I know you tighten that, that will stay up.
Yeah.
Tighten that. Like even over here, it's fucking tight. I might use the aftermarket clamp.
Okay.
And we'll go from there.
Yeah, so there is gonna probably, there's for sure gonna be a...
What does it say right there, VW?
Yeah.
Funny's on. Separate from VW. Bullshit.
Okay. Yeah, it's crazy because it says we should cut, but if you...
I know, I'm looking at that, I'm like, nah, like, because I've done one before. That's why I'm like, really? I'm like, you sure? You're like, I'm like, maybe the S3 is different. And I'm like, looking at it,
no, it's pretty much, yeah. Okay.
Not like same shit, but it's nicer.
Hopefully it'll still sound okay, even though...
It'll sound okay. Maybe you'll hear a little leak, maybe you won't even hear a little leak.
Oh, hopefully.
God, that's one thing I recommend. Just have a weld just for an extra security.
Yeah.
But the thing is, do you plan on doing exhaust system or you plan on keeping the original tips?
I'm planning on keeping the original. The only thing I might is just change the tips here eventually, but
you're not changing the muffler.
no, I like the fact that it's an open, like you can, it has a valve there, so
yeah.
that's the convenience.
Yeah, I know, for sure.
Yeah.
And even though if you had an aftermarket exhaust, you're never gonna get full load. Guys gonna say, "Oh, it's an Audi."
Oh my god.
Full load from my muffler delete. And my car's like, well, it's not loud as shit, but it's like...
It makes noise, for sure. I knew it was you when you pulled up earlier. Oh, well, your car sounds great.
Thank you. I had it for 7 years.
You're over it now?
Well, no, I had the car since I was 23 years old. You tell me, bro.
Yeah.
Time to move on, want a house.
Yeah. I
your
hear
car,
you.
when we get a sleeper, I'm gonna get trophy people on the streets. Like I usually do in life. Yeah, well, that's me. I'm being a retard right now.
It's okay.
It's still morning.
Yeah, we're still waking up here. Yeah, just for context, we kind of, I don't know, what time did you get home, Peter? From our, because we did a meet.
A good 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock? Okay, so you stayed like an extra hour and a bit after I left.
No, I think when you left it was like 2 something, maybe like 15-20 minutes.
Okay, yeah, because I got home around 2-ish.
Oh yeah, then I stayed.
Yeah,
I stayed
that's it.
45 minutes.
Yeah, exactly, because I got home around 2-ish. Like,
I think I'm gonna let somebody drive me to a car meet, so when they go home, they're like, okay, time to go home.
Yeah, exactly. It's
home.
like just the
every
balance.
time I stay is because you know what I mean. I'm talkative as shit, and I just love catching up with fucking people.
That's
the thing I love about the car community, man.
Well, that's why I like the Friday nights.
Yeah, you do it flawlessly.
It's a lot of years of.
Well, and plus you know like everybody, you get along with everybody.
Oh, so do you. You're a likable guy. Yeah. For now, until someone pisses them off.
Oh no!
Then he launches them. Wow, look at that, and that's it, guys. That's the end of the install. Moments of truth.
I love the honeycomb grill.
Yes.
All you're missing is like the quattro.
Yeah, I mean the RS3 has like a decal that goes on the bottom that says Quattro. I could just do that. I have the same grill as the RS3, so just missing that little stamp.
I love the dark. I mean, I saw that leather here. I'm like, yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. All right, this is the exciting part. Let's hope. And when you start it, the valves will be closed. You have to only when you put it in S mode that'll do it. But we'll do that, I guess, outside.
Well, do it here. We're in the garage.
Yeah. Okay.
Fuck it, why not?
Well,
I do it with my car all the time. But it's bar, but I don't like it. I can set up any alarms, like.
No, I know.
And my car is like. Louder.
Yeah, 100%.
Ain't faster, but it's louder.
Oh, 100%.
No code and no code.
Not even. All right, let's see.
So how do you gotta guide me through this, bro? How do you start a proper race car?
Oh my god.
Get in the race car first. Okay. So guide me through it, brother.
Okay. So you're gonna turn it on? Yes.
Key on, engine on.
Yes. Okay. So before you put it, let it go to the menu there. Hold on. Oh, it's gonna load there a bit.
Running on Windows 98? No.
Okay, so it's on. Click on the vehicle. So.
Yeah, I can tell that's the first way you're always. That's okay, bro.
All right, then put it on dynamic. So that will be the most aggressive setting. So when you start it, the valve should be open. Okay.
Oh, you're still.
So let's see.
Ready?
Yeah. Let's go. Well, that's noticeable, right? Yeah. Yeah, 100%. When it's under load, yeah. Yeah, it's not even a cold start, but
I find it's more throatier.
Yeah, it definitely has a bit more bass.
Like, look. That's the thing about Audis, you really, well, except maybe not all of them, but the majority of them,
Yeah.
you don't really hear it unless when you rip it, in my opinion.
Well, what it'll do is...
I know, I told him, like, bro, we're going to do the bubble.
Once we back it up here... once we back it up here, I'll be able to... I'll do the freaking two-step so you can hear it better for sure.
Yeah. So, right, let's test the Resonator delete. What? It's a lot more throatier. It's like sleeper edition. All right, launch control. Let's go. Yeah, fuck it. Two-step it. Yeah, it's a lot louder. It's a lot louder. Yeah, no, before it's like, now it's like, it's a lot more cracks. Yeah, there's a lot more cracks because I heard you launch your car. Now it was just like, you know, it used to go, now it's like, it sounds like a psychopath. There you go.
Wow. He's gonna use that.
The things you do for the car community. There you go, Merv. I hope you're happy, bro.
Thank you, man.
No problem. It took us like,
definitely gonna take it for a
10 minutes,
ride.
and that's us loafing and fucking around.
Let's see how she do. Oh, that's loud already. The DSG fart.
It's a lot more throatier.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm gonna go through gas so much faster now.
Yeah, so when I got my first cold air tank, it's like, oh shit, like, yeah, driving crazy with John. I'm like, bro,
oh my god,
going through $20. It's like nothing. But man,
yeah.
You're like, yeah, but
yeah.
Oh, wait until when you get the cooler intake.
Yeah, that's.
If you ever want to do it in the garage, you want to do it yourself, or bring your car back and you can do it yourself. Because I know you've done cooler intakes yourself. But if you just want to have tools around you, bro, just buy in my garage. I'll let you do my toolbox. You chill.
Okay.
Yeah. Picasso.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's missing that cold air intake.
Yeah, it needs a little.
Yeah, it needs a little bit more.
I think with an intake, it would give it some more, maybe some pops and stuff.
Oh yeah. But I can even tell your pop's a lot more aggressive.
Yeah, especially.
And once exhaust, when the car's really getting used to the with the res, for sure you're gonna get more pops.
Yeah, I don't know if there's like a break-in period for like a pipe, really.
No. But even for my muffler delete, it didn't pop until later on. Then it started burbling a lot more. I'm like,
yeah, I'm sure once the car is like when it's cold and then you drive it, they'll probably, because I know my Fiesta did that a lot, actually. Oh wow, now you decide to turn. Has the sound that I think it should have came with stock, to be honest.
Yeah, missing that cold air for the little bit more aggressiveness will be perfect. Yeah, unless you want more aggressiveness, then you go down 5. That's the thing like about Audi. Like BMW, you feel everything. Benz is like driving on the cloud because I drive Benz, I know.
Yeah.
And Audi's like in between. It's like the little sweet little spot. Yeah. Check this thing. Yes, sir. Oh, she's gonna like. Yeah, it's actually also I'm like this a little bit, like, and
it's the shifts are aggressive.
Yeah.
Too.
Oh yeah, she's aggressive. And DSG at its finest.
Yeah, that's yeah. I like the sound. It definitely is a turbo an intake now.
Yeah. Man, you hear the intake, you're gonna hear that fucking turbo.
Yeah.
But I wonder how much for the intake on it. It's probably not.
CTS intakes are just under $400 for these cars. I don't know if you want to hear that, though.
You know what? I'm happy that for a nice, decent amount of price car, you can find parts for a decent amount.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, install is done. Loving the way it sounds. Before I close out the video, I gotta do it. We gotta freaking do it. Hold on. Oh my god. Yeah, that sounds pretty crazy. Guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. It was a quick little install. Super happy with the way it sounds. Definitely need an intake. I'm gonna do the turbo inlet at the same time since it's gonna be all there. So you guys already know that's gonna be the next mod for the car. And then we're gonna do some aesthetic things. But that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. So if you like this content for the S3, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.